Simplify. Write your answer in the proper form of a complex number, a plus bi. A is the real part, and b is the imaginary part. So when you're looking at an expression and you notice that there is a radical with a negative in the inside, you can clean this up to be an imaginary number, 5i. And the same thing happening here with the square root of -4. When we clean that up, we get 2i. So now we have two complex numbers being added together. 3 plus 5i is added to -4 plus 2i. To add complex numbers, we add like terms. So the 3 and the -4 are the real part of the complex number. When you add those, you get -1. And when you add the imaginary parts, positive 5i plus 2i, you get 7i. Let's look at another example. Again, this expression involves a square root with a negative radicand. We used to say that was not a real number, and in fact it's not. It's a complex number. So let's simplify. The square root of -9 is 3i. The square root of 9 is 3, and because of the negative sign, we have I. So the square root of -16 is 4i. So our first complex number is -2 plus 3i is being added to our second complex number, 5 minus 4i. So again, we'll add the real parts together. -2 plus 5 is 3. And when we add the imaginary parts together, a positive 3i and a -4i gives us a -1i. Most books won't write the -1. So the answer would be written 3 minus I. So there it is in proper form of a complex number, the real part, plus the bi. So the plus doesn't have to be an addition sign, it's just the separator, the addition or subtraction sign.